Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the ChatGPT app crashing step by step. First, close the ChatGPT app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, then wait for a few hours and reopen it. Many crashes happen due to temporary glitches in the app. Next, restart your phone. This helps clear system memory and fixes background issues that may cause the apps to crash. Then check if the app is updated. Head over to your App Store or your Play Store. Search for ChatGPT. Check if the app is updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store or App Store. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that stop crashing problems. If the issue continues, clear the app's cache if you are using an Android. Go to Settings, Apps, find ChatGPT, tap Storage, and clear cache. This removes temporary files that may be corrupted. Then you can also long press on the ChatGPT app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleted, go to the App Store, search for ChatGPT, and reinstall it from there. This gives you a fresh version of the app without any broken files. If the app still crashes, it may be due to device compatibility or temporary server issues, so try again later. That's how you fix the ChatGPT app crashing. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.